setting. Here we are in Charters Towers. Nice ride today. Didn't go very far. What, 260? Roughly about 260. So Craig's been to Charters Towers before. Long time ago. I've never been. We have nearly 40 years ago. We have a really lovely little motel. It's probably after Roma. It's probably pretty good because.
It's not Roma.
Yeah, Roma was good as well.
Oh, after
yeah. Because the ones in between been pretty average. Anyway, all good. We're going to go and find something to eat. Isn't he gorgeous? Oh, we're setting them all off. We've just had dinner for Craig for Father's Day. Nice steak, really well cooked. But it came with frozen veggies, so that was a bit unusual. And say good morning to everybody. It's Monday morning. We're in Charters Towers, almost 7 o'clock roughly, and we're out looking for our early morning coffee. Beautiful morning, you can hear the birds. Lovely, sunny, warm, no wind, and we're off to Mission Beach today, so it'll be a great ride. Oh, there's all the bats up there again, check it out. Oh, he's on the loose. Where would he belong? We can get them. Nice. Well, we just had brekkie at the Salt Lake Cafe, that was called. Thoroughly recommend it. I had a smash, one of the best ones I've had. It was awesome. We're in Mossman Street, that was Gill Street Cafe. Main Street, yeah. Good coffee, hot, very good breakfast. So we're happy. And here we go, what's up here? Charters Towers, about 135 kilometres southwest of Townsville. It was founded in around 1872 due to a couple of prospectors out looking for gold, of course, and they found it. So Charters was naming was after WSEM Charters. He was a gold commissioner, and Towers because of the conical shaped hills located in the vicinity of where they found the gold, and hence we got Charters Towers.